Here is how we can decrease the icon size on the iPhone. Let me explain it to you. If you're new on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe because I want to make sure that everybody can understand tech the best possible way. So do that and we can get started. So as you can see, my icons are kind of larger and they don't even have the description. They don't have the names of the icons, right, of the apps. If you take a look at the iPhone next to it, the icons are smaller and also show the written text below it, right? So if you want to change it, what you have to do right now is to hold down on the screen like this and click on the edit button in the top left corner. So you should be able to find it easily like that. So you have to tap it properly and we need to click on customize right here. And as you can see, we can customize the look of our icons, right? So I can make them go to the dark mode or clear mode or tinted, whatever. But there is also this button right there, which is like a large square and a small square, right? So it's part of this menu. And you can see that right now it made the icons smaller, right? So let me just come back to the customize. I'm going to make sure they are set to default. And using this button, you can see that you can make the icons larger and smaller. And if you make them bigger, then the text below them is also going to disappear. So this is one of the ways you can do this. Outside of that, when you open up the settings app of your device and find the display and brightness right here, you can see a couple of different things, but we have the ability to go to the bottom and choose the default zoom. And when you choose from the default zoom to larger text, it's going to apply the change to the icons as well, right? So it might also be happening that you have it selected in here. So if I switch to the enlarged text and confirm it, it's going to like restart the iPhone a little bit, and you're going to notice that the icons are also going to be much larger, right? So if you are interested in that, if you want to decrease the size of them like this, you can see that you can still do the stuff which I've shown you at the beginning, like the customize is still giving you the ability to make them smaller, right? But you can as well go to the default mode and it will then make things even smaller. So yeah, that is how you can keep it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you in the next videos as well.